Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a very special test using the AI Micro with the newest Lavalier 2 from Rode. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out how does it sound. And this intro is recorded from my phone using the Lavalier 2 and the Report app. Let's dive right into it, and we're gonna be showing and testing some different settings on the Report app, and the winner for our AI Micro has been picked. We will contact you, don't worry. If it's not you, don't be sad, don't worry about it, because we're gonna be doing more giveaways just like this one. So stay tuned, subscribe and turn on notification so you know every single time that I post a new video. Thank you very much for everyone who comment. We receive a lot of stories and I love and I respond to every single one of them. So thank you very much. I love you guys. Make sure that you just plug the Lavalier 2 in the AI Micro without the little adapter. I wasn't able to get the signal right with that, so keep that in mind. 20. So now we're gonna be doing some tests using AI Micro straight to my phone using the Lavalier 2 and 20 decibels. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. No treatment, nothing. 1, 2, 3 testing. Now we're gonna be using the Lavalier 2 high pass filter on 75, and it's gonna be 16 decibels using the Lavalier 2. So what do you think with 75 high pass filter? 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Now the same thing, Lavalier 2 with the AI Micro. Now is 150 high pass filter and 16 decibels. Same thing, just instead of 75 we add a little bit more of a high pass filter. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 testing. Lavalier 2 high pass filter off 16 decibel. It's gonna be merged mode. This is the test using the Rode Lavalier 2 with the AI Micro. It's this tiny audio interface. Let's see how this sounds. No effects, no treatment, nothing. 1, 2, 3 testando. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna do a test, same thing like before, AI Micro, Lavalier 2, but now we're gonna be doing a little bit of high pass filter. It's gonna be using 75 high pass filter and 16 decibels. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Merged mode. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Lavalier 2 AI Micro, same thing, but 150 high pass filter. Decibels 16 as well, and no treatment at all. Just raw audio. You might gonna be able to hear a little bit of the heater coming here on the side, but it's nice so we can see how loud you can pick up stuff. Let me know what you think. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3. Split mode 150. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. 150 high pass filter. 16 decibels. 1, 2, 3 testing. No treatment, nothing. 75 high pass filter. Lavalier 2 split mode. 75 high pass filter. 16 decibels. 1, 2, 3 test. No treatment, nothing. So now for the last but not least, high pass filter off, 16 decibels, stereo mode, Lavalier 2 with the AI Micro on my phone. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. The Lavalier is right here. No treatment, nothing. 1, 2, 3 tests. Lavalier 2 AI Micro stereo mode, high pass filter 75 test. 1, 2, 3 12 decibels. Here mic. 1, 2, 3 test. No treatment, nothing. Let me know in the comment down below. Very clean here for me. I hope that you like this sound. Let's see. Let me know what you think. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. And I'm gonna be adjusting the volume here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Test. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Testing Lavalier 2 with the AI Micro. As you can see here, the green area is peaking right in the middle. So I think that's a nice spot to be, because if you go higher, hello, test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 test. it's a little bit higher. I don't know how this is gonna sound. Maybe it's better than the other one, but I can hear a little bit more, picking more details. We can hear some keyboard, we can hear some stuff. I don't know if this is gonna sound good, but let's see. Okay, let's bring it up, up, up. As you see here, it's very, very high. It's almost red. So I don't know how this is gonna sound, but we are doing some tests here. 1, 2, 3 test Lavalier 2 with the AI Micro, and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit more. And maybe here is the sweet spot for me. Middle, right in the middle, a little bit over sometimes for the green, but looks good and sounds good for me because I'm able to monitor my audio, because this is a small audio interface where you can plug 2 lavaliers, 2 microphones at the same time on your phone, on your computer. And that's a Lavalier 2 test using the AI Micro. So that's pretty much it. If you want to hear more tests using the Lavalier 2, but this time with the wireless Go 2, click on this video over here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Consider subscribe, give your a like and comment down below. I would like to know what you think. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.